let's just say that this is filter number 2, even though it's kind of connected to filter number 1, and that's a subnet filter. So the nice thing about an address here, I just spelled out the whole thing, but if I want to, I can just take out as many octets as if I want to, and I can just pop in a 0, and then I can just give it the number of bits in the subnet mask. What that'll do is it'll set a subnet filter, and it'll allow me to filter for a range of addresses or that are within a specific subnet. I can get pretty specific with it. I can get into like down to, I want to see from this address to this address, this first 10 addresses in a certain subnet, but oftentimes, most of the time, practically real world, a subnet filter will do the trick.
So like /24, /16 or something, right?
100%, yeah. Usually that's what I'm doing.
That's great. So all you did was change the octet from whatever value it was to like 0, the last octet, and then make it /24.
You got it.
That's great.
Now, for everybody out there that doesn't want to remember what I just said, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this little plus button. You see that little plus button there? Let's click that. And what we're going to do is just call it subnet filter. Subnet filter. Okay. And although you will probably change the IPs as you grow in your analysis, I'm just going to say, okay, and now I have on the top right over here, I've got this subnet filter button. So now when I come back to Wireshark next time, if I just want to set a subnet filter, I can just click that, and then I can change the variables, change the addresses, and I don't have to remember how to set that. So
that's nice.
Saving filter buttons. That's another little mini tip that I'll give you.